Guys, this is why when you buy electronics like calculators, like this is TI-83 Plus. So this one is not an expensive calculator anymore. It used to be more expensive. Now it's like probably around $20, maybe even less. But what happened here was that this I got at the bins. So I get them at the bins because I pay less than $1, like around 70 cents for them. Original batteries were blown. As you can see, there are still residue left right here, and the contacts were a little bit dirty, so I replaced the batteries, cleaned out the battery compartment and contacts, but it didn't help. And when this happens, it happens on Texas Instrument calculators a lot actually. It didn't work, it didn't turn on because this residue, as you can see, has leaked onto the controller board on the inside of the calculator. See those contacts right here, they are touching up those right here, so it goes from the contacts that you see when batteries are installed towards this contact right here and this one. Same thing at the top, but the bottom ones are more important because they actually connect and they go onto those areas right here onto the controller board where they get touched. The contacts get they touch those contacts on the controller right here, on the board. So as you can see, there is a blue residue from that leaked onto the inside. So in that case, I need to clean those two areas. You have to do it very carefully without removing any of that. I always forget the name of this. So those contacts you have to clean very carefully without damaging them. And after you do that, you can use either glue gun a little bit, but don't use any sharp objects because you're gonna damage the contacts. After that, I will try it again and see if the calculator will turn on, because with just replacing batteries, it didn't work because of this issue right here. And it happens on a lot of TI calculators, so be careful when you find them and someone wants you to pay up for them. Tell them that check the battery compartment first. Even after checking it, tell the person who is selling them that there is a possibility that it will not work, because if battery is leaked, it leaked onto the controller. So unless they actually take out, they will give you batteries to test, or if you have your own, that's the only way for you to know. And I usually don't take batteries with me, so because at the bins they're not worth much, so that's why I don't take it there. So now I'm done cleaning them. As you can see, a little bit better. Also, you can clean this contact right here. You can use those ear swabs. See how much blue stuff there is. I cleaned out. So let's close it and test it again. Okay, now guys, I cleaned out those contacts more. So what you need to do now is put screws back in, because when you screw it in, those contacts on the bottom here, they're gonna be firmly attached to those contacts on the controller. So without screwing it back in, it's gonna be kind of loose. So even if you put batteries in, it's not gonna start. So let's put screws back in and see if it's gonna start. Alright guys, moment of truth. Put the batteries in, I put screws back in. This backup battery screw is in also. For you to take it apart, you need to unscrew the backup battery cover. Otherwise it's not gonna open. So make sure you unscrew that screw also, along with those 6 screws. So let's see guys. And it's on. See? It's working. don't know if you see it. See, we fixed it, guys. See, that's what happens with those TI Texas Instruments. Now, for you to reset it, what you need to do is second, hold on, clear, second, yeah. So you press second and plus, and then you go to number 7. It's reset. You see, reset, and you do all RAM. Number 1. Yeah, it says 1 no, 2 reset. So you select 2. Now it's RAM cleared. That's it. So everything seems to work. Mode clear. So I do, what is this, 75 times, let's do clear, the easier function, 2 times 2 equal 4. There you go, guys. Calculator is fixed now.